Hello guys, out in the woods. We're going to cook some baked potatoes. I know there's lots of ways you can do the baked potatoes. You can just do them straight in the ashes, which is great. Wrap them in tin foil, do them on top of the fire. But today we're going to use another Petromax product. It's a Petromax potato cooker. Okay, stay with us. This is it. The Petromax Potato 3 potato cooker. All cast iron, hinged. The latch for the lid is so that if you use the pot hanger, and you can pick it up, get it off the fire, move it about, and then you undo the latch. And it opens up. That's it. It's just cast iron. You put obviously you put your potatoes in and shut the lid and put it on the fire. But there's a German recipe for Hasselback potatoes, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try that one today. So I'll bring you back in a second. That's the onions sorted. So to do the Hasselback potatoes, you just put cuts in, but not all the way through. Doesn't matter if you go all the way through, it's just, this is just a way of holding it all together. Got a piece of cheese in between each slice. Oh. Oh, two in there. And that's it. I'll put some olive oil on, actually. Touch of olive oil. Have everything cooked down. Oh, that's a bit much. And I'll put some seasoning on. That'll do it. And we just shut it down, and then we can put it on the fire. So we can transfer it onto the fire now using your pot hanger, but remember you need to preheat, put some warmth into the cast iron first. So just take it from cold and put it on. You've got to You've got to get it up to room temperature first. Otherwise it could warp and then the lid's not going to sit right. So just put it by the fire first, right side of the fire. Let the heat get into it slowly and then you'll be good to go. I'm going to zoom in so we can have a look, see what we got. Oh. Yeah.
Yum.
Oh, there you go.
Immense.
Absolutely done to perfection. Like a glove. Right, let's put that down a sec, get myself organised. Challenge is going to be
to get that from there to there.
Get that out of there. Not going to move. See if I can put that.
Do you want the spoon out of my cutlery set? Nearly. Oh, well done. Oh. That's trying to do too many things at once, Charlie.
I know.
Shall I stop filming now? Hey?
No, it's alright. It's all part of the fun.
I thought you was going to throw more tighter on the fire.
That's it. If I put it there, can't tip over there, that's it. That's what I should have done.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Learn from my mistakes, folks. Oh, that smells good. Oh, it smells like when you're at the fair. Cheese and potato. See if I can do it by putting it all the way through.
Oh, well done.
Oh yeah, yours worked better. Betterer. That's a bit more.
Can you just put them to the side on mine, please?
Yeah. That is literally cheese and onion.
Yeah.
Oh God, can you smell that?
Yeah, I can. Thank you very much. You have the extra bag.
Okay.
Took a lot of convincing.
That spatula's actually coming to its own, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So, yeah. Oh man, that smells good.
Yeah, hurry up because I want to eat it.
Okay.
Bon appetit.
There you go.
Oh,
Hasselback cheese and onion potato.
Yummers.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chef.